This is Buster. Buster. He's a one-eyed dog. Busties. Busters. Let me see your eye. He is the sweetest. You're the sweetest boy I've ever seen. Look, Busters. He's such a good dude. We are here for a toilet that's rocking and rolling. And this is pretty bad, man. This whole thing, it's not even, I mean, look how much this moves. It's crazy. Oh, it's cracked. Oh man, I didn't even see that. I'm gonna have to go get a toilet. Look at this friggin' nonsense. There were no bolts at all. What in the world? Huh. Well, okay. Look at this. As I clean this away, this is just 3-inch pipe right here. See it? See the outline of the pipe? I don't think there's ever been a toilet flange on here. I don't know. I think whoever did this just roughed this in with just pipe. And I guess this plastic is the subfloor. I'm not sure. I mean, that looks like concrete right there. But there's no flange at all on this. This is not a flange. You know what that is? I think that might be tile. Yeah, that's tile, dude. So there's no flange at all. That'll fit in there for sure. I probably don't even need to glue that. I'm going to though. I forget. I got so many different types of flanges. I forget which one works which way. But yeah, this will go into that. It was just really hard getting it to fit, but. All right, it's good. I broke one of the heads off right there, but it's okay because these are in here nice and securely, and that'll keep it from moving left or right. So, need to go get a 12-inch rough toilet. Okay, got the cute dog, Busters. Cute toilet. Let's install. There you go, folks.